working on GMetrix Word Expert Practice Exam number 3. We're currently on the second project called Custom Buildings. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and link the brown sidebar, which is right here, with the Summer Specials document. We can find that in our GMetrix templates folder. And it says that it wants it to update automatically. So let's go ahead and put our cursor here in this bar. And what we want to do is click the Insert tab. We want to click the Objects drop-down box here in the text group. We want to click Create from File. We'll go ahead and browse to our GMetrix templates folder. Summer Specials. We'll click Insert. And before we click OK, we just want to click this Link to File, and that will update this information over here as it's updated the file. We can click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to go ahead and replace each instance of the in dash with the m dash. So we're on the Home tab here. We're going to go ahead and click Replace. And the Find What, we're going to click the Special, so that we get these special. We're going to click the less here so that we can click Special. We want to select in dash, and we want to replace it with the m dash. We'll go ahead and click Replace All. It says that one replacement was made. We'll go ahead and click OK. We'll close out of that. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 3 asks us to go ahead and at the bottom of our flyer, we're going to cut this email address right here. And we're going to paste it below the address and telephone number here. And it wants us to resolve any styling conflicts by using special paste options. So we'll go ahead and cut that text. We can use Control X or on the Home tab, click the Cut button here. And what we want to do is here, we can use the paste options here, or we can right click. And this one right here, Keep Text Only, will work. So we'll go ahead and paste that information. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 4 asks us to create a new paragraph style named Sidebar Text. And they want it based upon the address and telephone number in the red sidebar. So we just need to select this text or put your cursor here. Notice how it shows us the contact info as our style. And so we'll click the little dialog box here. And we want to click right here, New Style. At the top, we want to click Sidebar Text. And it doesn't tell us to change any other information, so we'll go ahead and click OK. And we can close out of that. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 5 asks us to go ahead and mark this document as final. So we go up here to the top, we'll click File, which brings us to the Backstage view. Under Protect Document, we just want to click Mark as Final. Yes, go ahead and save it. Okay. We can close out of the Backstage view and click Mark Completed.